If you're obsessed with skincare routine like me, then you likely know the importance of using a face scrub regularly. A great addition to any skincare routine, an exfoliating face scrub offers various benefits that result in a really healthy looking face. Whether you have dry skin, dull skin, or oily skin, face scrubbing can really change things for the better in the skincare department. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Grace Granule. So today, instead of making you to purchase a nice facial scrub from some brand, I'm going to tell you how you can really make a facial scrub at home with only 3 ingredients. The first ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil is loaded with nutrients. I really love to use olive oil for my dry skin because it contains numerous antioxidants, vitamin E and vitamin K. Here I am using Karmic olive oil, but you can also use some other brand olive oil. Second ingredient is honey. Honey has super antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It really helps in preserving the natural moisture level of your skin. Here I am using Dabur honey. And the final ingredient is brown sugar. I know guys, many of you don't have brown sugar at home, so you can really use white sugar from your kitchen. But you can do one thing, you can grind it at some level because वो थोड़ा harsh होते हैं skin पे. So you can use white sugar as well. Brown sugar really helps to exfoliate your skin. It helps to clear away dry and dead skin cells, and it also helps to smoothen the skin. ओ माय गॉड गाइस, मेरी स्किन इतनी ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज लग रही है इस वक्त और इतनी ज़्यादा स्मूथ लग रही है. You should really try it, and then after trying this scrub, just comment section below and tell me how you're feeling and how your skin is feeling. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye. But you can grind it and the second ingredient is